Assalamu alaikum. As we have discussed in our last video at what is a sentence, and we defined it as a sentence is a set or combination of words that makes a complete sense. उर्दू में अगर हम इसको देखें, पिछली वीडियो में शायद हमने उर्दू नहीं लिखी थी कि फिक्रा अल्फाज का एक ऐसा मजमुआ होता है जो एक बामानी यानी जिसका कोई ना कोई मतलब निकलता हो, मफहूम देता हो। अब हम आते हैं कि फिक्रे का जो नाउ वी विल कंसंट्रेट टू द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ वर्ड्स। अल्फाज की तरतीब। In English, we normally begin the sentence with subject. After that, we use the verb, and lastly, we use the object or predicate or adverbs or whatever comes there. लेकिन उर्दू में इसकी तरतीब मुख्तलिफ होती है। जरा मुलाहिजा कीजिए, if we follow the English, in English language, we first use the subject, then we add the verb, and lastly we use the object. Now if we will take it as 1, this as 2 and this one as 3, then we get 1, 2, 3. The sequence continues. But whenever we translate anything from Urdu into English or from English into Urdu, then we use this following structure. Subject always comes at the beginning of the sentence, but after the subject we directly use the object, and lastly we use the verb. Now look at this structure. If we consider the same points over there, the subject comes at the first position, but the object comes at the second position, and the verb comes after the verb, after the object. In this way, English and Urdu have the same difference as in here. The basic difference between English and Urdu is that we use subject, verb and object in English structures or English sentences, whereas in Urdu we use subject, object and then lastly verb. Now look at this sentence. हमने लिया दोबारा आपको समझाने के लिए, अली एक खत लिखता है. Now look at the English pattern of this sentence or the translation of that Urdu sentence into English. Ali writes a letter. Now in this sentence we have used subject at the beginning, object just following the subject, and lastly we use the main verb over here. But in English we use the same subject at the beginning, but after the subject we used the verb, and lastly we added the object in the sentence. This is the basic arrangement of words in English and in Urdu. Hope that you will better understand now a little bit about the structure of a sentence in English or in Urdu, both. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.